A beautiful round of applause. Don't get tired. Don't get tired of this. This is to mark that the book is officially launched. Professor Kamau to be my rated already, which is fine, right? So let's peep in there. It's just a way of saying, wow, you mean it has colored pictures as well? Ay, 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 ay.
Nyana ndikita ibuku riri tondu ni ndirenda andu aite mamenye uma wa igoti riria marihaga kana magire kuriha niguo makiriha makamenya riria thiku na makamenya rigana atia magire kuriha na matigako ni mekuriha ringi kani nini gukea riria riho nigukwetwo no unyihu wa umenyo wa maundu makoni igoti na nikio andu ingi makoo maikarite na guoya thiini wa maundu makoni igoti kwoguo hakwa ni ndorete ngona gutiri mabuku mandike makoni maundu maya maigoti na ngerutira tondu riri ni ibuku riakwa ria keri ria kwandika uria magoti magire gukorwo magitarwo makirihwo na mundu ategutindikiririo gwika maundu maria matagiriire kwoguo muthomi wa ibuku riri kana mucaria wa ugi ukoni maundu makoni igoti ni egukenera kumenya ati igoti ria agire kuriha ni rigana atia na niguo ndakai kuhatiririo kadako aikana guoya wa muthemba ona uriku undu ukoni kuriha magoti.
The book's academic bent makes it an ideal reference as a manual for advocates, for accountants, tax agents, tax consultants, and other professionals who interact with tax matters. Indeed, any professional pursuing a career in taxation, including decision makers, judges, magistrates, tribunals, will find this book, Understanding Tax Administration in Kenya, a very useful hard book.